Your Honor, my client demands $1,000 for the abuse he endured working under Ranzan LLC.
Do you have an eyewitness to corroborate your claims?
Actually, we do, Your Honor. The prosecution calls Dr. Franco's Mosgerin to the stand. Dr. Mosgerin, what position did you work in at Ranzan LLC?
I worked under Ranzan for 7 years as a financial advisor.
Did you receive any verbal abuse or any threats while you worked under Ranzan LLC?
I received several death threats by other employees and was insulted by my manager.
Did you ever bring up any of these instances with HR?
HR never replied to any of the emails I sent.
How would you describe your experience working at Ranzan LLC overall?
My coworkers were intimidating, and the extensive financial trouble meant low income.
Please describe the extensive financial problems Ranzan LLC had for the court, Dr. Cosmos.
At the time, Ranzan LLC was in deep debt with the competition, Canon Global.
Would you say this impacted the quality of your work environment?
Yes, the workspace got more cluttered as new checks arrived in the mail, and my boss embezzled funds from our department's paychecks.
Would you say that the money your boss stole was used only for the business?
No, my boss also used the money to buy luxurious vacation houses in Miami, Florida, Paris, France, and Rome, Italy.
Dr. Mosgerin, would you concur that your Department of Finance's director mismanaged funds?
Yes, my boss poorly managed the funds and used them for his own luxury.
Thank you, Dr. Mosgerin. Your Honor, as you can see, the defendant and the employees of Ranzan LLC were berated at the expense of the Department of Finance's director and the success of the company and its subsidiaries. Ranzan LLC should provide emotional and financial relief for its employees as requested.
Your Honor, Ranzan LLC upholds its values, even with uncooperative employees.
Do you have any witnesses to testify against the allegations the plaintiff presents?
Yes, Your Honor. The defense calls Marvin Hamble to the stand. Mr. Hamble, how would you describe your experience working at Ranzan LLC? It was a terrible experience, with inhospitable staff and a negative work environment. Your Honor, members of the court, members of the jury, please excuse Mr. Hamble's statement.
The defense and prosecution's witnesses may leave the room at this time.
The sabotage and downfall of Ranzan LLC will bolster our popularity, the Bros. Your Honor, I motion to have my client's testimony stricken from evidence.
The court overrules your motion. I find the corporate entity and its subsidiaries, Ranzan LLC, guilty of embezzlement and malpractice. We will adjourn for today and convene on Tuesday for the sentencing. In the interim, I order Ranzan LLC and its facilities to cease business effective immediately.